Hey everybody, Evan with the Grainiac here. I'm going to show you how I made this canoe water epoxy terrarium. Say we had this old canoe shelf and I figured I could repurpose that and make a water terrarium out of it. So I took the shelf off of there. Hope you guys enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. So we collect rocks when we go on our travels, so I figured what better way to use it. The plants I got from a pet store. These are just the plants you'd find for an aquarium. So I placed the rocks around. I bought the fairy lights off Amazon, and here I'm kind of playing around with the placement of the canoe. I'm going to set in there, pouring in my first layer of epoxy. I go about an inch up. I filled up this cup 2 times, and I'm going to let it set, and then I'm going to put my canoe on top of it in another layer of epoxy to make it look like it's obviously not floating right on top. I want it to sink in a little bit. So I'm going to weather this canoe, make it actually look like a canoe that I just picked up at Hobby Lobby for $1.50. So I'm going to make it match the canoe shelf with the red outline. Here I'm placing it after I poured my epoxy, trying to find a good position for it to look kind of natural. And then the fairy lights, making sure they work and everything gets lit up. I did put some pigment dye in my epoxy, and this is the finished product. I already gave it to her, so now you can watch the video knowing you're not going to spoil anything. She loved it, and I enjoyed making it. Really easy to put together. There you go. I like doing these kinds of arts and crafts. Probably won't see anything like this because I try to come up with these ideas and make them all original. Like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more. Thanks.